Welcome, CNG 124. So let's see, this is our last full day in 1 day, 2 days I should say, that we have together. If today you've completed all your assignments, there is no need to, you're in the clear, you're good to go. To those of you that still have assignments to turn in, please use these last days, full day today, and tomorrow about 5 o'clock I do the cutoff for grading around dinner time. So make sure to get those assignments in today or tomorrow. For those of you that are doing the tests, the final exam, make sure to get those in. The biggest key point here, hop into CNAP and do the exam 9 and any quiz. Once again, I just checked those real quick by going in and basically looking at your names, and they'll have one quiz and then one exam. If you fail to do those, your final exam does not count towards your grades, and that's 15% gone at that point. A huge chunk just gone. I mean, that's taken someone's A and turned it into a B, or if you have like a C, you no longer have that C because of that grade change. Let's see. Wednesday should have everyone's grades here in D2L. Everyone, then those grades are then transferred over to that same Wednesday into eWolf. And then let's see, Thursday morning in eWolf, if you hit the transcripts button, you should see your grades from this course in transcripts. The server updates in the morning, so you should see those at that time. If I did make an error, don't hesitate to contact me. It's just a form to fill out. Let's see, in 7 years, 3 semesters a year, I think I had to fill out that form 5 times. And really, it was all those 5 times were in one semester. Just because I was off by 1 row, and that's what happened there. I hope you enjoy this course. Networking, probably one of the funnest stuff to learn. I know there's not a lot to talk about in networking, but you do start to see it everywhere you go. And then once you start to even, as you progress through your degree, you're going to see more relationships to TCP/IP model, OSI model, and you're going to start to discuss those, how they relate to security, to networking. And it's great to have a concept in those because, let's see, the most fun that I ever saw brought up was when I was in a programming course, and we were talking about how the guest speaker came in and they were talking about how he was getting drones to guide convoys of artificial intelligent vehicles across the desert at 80 miles an hour, and how they had to communicate at different layers to stay secure because, of course, they were military grade, but they were communicating also to satellites. So it was a very great discussion, and probably one of the better ones I had about networking and how it was different aspects of networking at that point. Make sure you get your work in. Thank you for being in the course. Always have a great time. It's always great to take a passion of mine and pass it on. If you have any questions, reach out. Frontrange.edu. Email is a great, well, it's a okay way to get a hold of me. I do monitor it more, just like the first couple weeks. So this week I'll probably be in it just a little bit more. Well, I should say a lot more. Just looking for communication from what's going on. And if you have any questions about next semester, reach out to me. The Google Hangouts channel will close. I usually do that Friday of this week. And you guys have a great holiday. Stay safe. Stay healthy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Now's the time to also be applying for scholarships. I believe the foundation at Front Range opened up. Apply for those scholarships. Get your school paid for. I can't promote that enough. Even in my schooling, I bring that over here. Even in my schooling, we talk about the OSI model, and I'm always on the hunt for scholarships. Once again, my second master's in security, cybersecurity, which is almost done. You guys have a great break. Once again, stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.